Happy birthday po, Sir Leo. Thank you po sa lahat ng tinuro niyo po sa akin. Sana po maging masaya lahat po ng birthday niyo sa susunod na taon. At God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo, to the best teacher. We are lucky to have a teacher like you who inspire us to be curious, creative, and confident. I wish you have a good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Sir Leo.
Happy birthday, sir. More birthdays to come. Sana maging malakas, sir, resistensya nyo. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. May all your birthday wish come true.
Hello, Sir Leo. I wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Sir Leo. We have learned a lot from you. Not just about the subject matter, but also about life and how to be a kind person. Happy birthday po, sir. We love you.
Birthday, Sir Leo. Stay healthy po. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. God bless. Thank you for teaching us. We love you.
May God shower you with love and affection the same way you share your great teachings with us. Enjoy your birthday, Sir Leo.
Hi, Sir Leo. I hope you enjoy your very, 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 very special day. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Sir Leo. God bless you.
Dear Sir Leo, thank you for teaching us and thank you for being kind to us. Again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Birthday po, Sir Leo. More birthdays to come. Good health po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Sir Leo, happy birthday po. Stay healthy and handsome lang po palagi. Take care of yourself po. Sana po wag po kayo magbago at marami po kayong maturuang bata kagaya po namin. Napakabait niyo po. Sana po more birthday to come and happy birthday po again.
Happy birthday po, Sir Leo. And sorry po kasi naging makulit kami or ako. And I hope your day will be filled of happiness and laughter. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Thank you for everything and stay healthy po palagi. Always take care yourself. More birthday to come. Thank you po, Sir Leo, and happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. God bless you.
Hi, Sir Leo. Happy birthday. Again, Nalians are very happy to have a teacher like you. Wish more birthdays to come, Sir Leo. If you feel lonely, again, Nalians are always here. We love you, Sir Leo. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. We all really love you and respect you so much. Thanks for the best teaching. Wishing you a day as sunny as your smile, as warm as your heart, a day as wonderful as you are. Hope your special day brings you all that. Happy birthday, Sir Leo.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Thank you po sa pagbibigay po efforts at sa pagpapatawa po sa buong Aguilarian. Thank you po, sir, at happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. I wish you all the best for your career, your family, and your health. God bless you.
Leo, wish ko po sa iyo maging healthy ka po palagi. Happy birthday po. We love you, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. I wish you a great and happy life. Thank you po sa lahat. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. God bless po. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Thank you for everything. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday po, sir. Wish ko po sa'yo maging healthy ka po lagi. Love you po, sir.
Happy birthday po, sir!
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Thank you for teaching us every day. And sorry if we're stubborn. We love you, sir.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Thank you for being a good teacher to us. Take care always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. May this special day bring joy, happiness, and precious memories. God bless you.
happy birthday po. I wish you to have many more birthdays to come. Stay happy always. God bless you.
Hi Sir Leo, happy birthday and thank you for being such an amazing teacher. Happy birthday again Sir Leo, we love you.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo ng Aguinaldian. Sana po marami po pong blessing ang dumating sa inyo. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Wishing you good health always and more blessings to come po, sir.
Attention na din natin, we're coming to stage na. Iyak na daw si Sir Leo. Opo na lang!
Di ko inakalang darating ka sa buhay ko at magbibigay saya sa natutulog kong mundo. Di ko inakalang mabibigyan mo ako ng inspirasyon para harapin ang bawat araw. Panalangin ko sa mga bituin, huwag kang lalayo sa akin. Harapin natin ang lungkot at saya. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magbigas ang labi ko. Dahil sa'yo, sumasaya ang mga araw ko. Dahil sa'yo, may kaibigan ako na totoo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magmahal ang puso ko.
Hello, Sir Leo. Just want to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and sana po ay lalo kayong i-bless ni Lord ngayong taon at sa mga susunod pang taon. Once again, happy birthday. God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Wishing you all the best.
Okay, Sir Leo, happy birthday, no? By this time, alam mo na kung ano yung wish namin para sa iyo. Isa na lang yun na hindi pa natutupad sa lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. I hope na this year or this coming year, ipagkaloob na ng Panginoon ang lahat ng wish niyo ni Ma'am Shi.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Wishing you all the best. Maraming salamat sa friendship at more birthdays to come. God bless you, sir. Happy birthday!
Hello sir, happy birthday po. Wishing you all the best and sana po ay matupad mo pa lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. God bless you always. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Hi, Sir Leo. Ngayong araw nito ay iyong kaarawan, kaya binabati kita na happy birthday. Sana ay masaya ka ngayon at nasa maganda kang kalagayan. Magkaroon ka ng malusog na pangangatawan at lahat pa na gusto mong gawin at pinapangarap ay matupad. Yun lamang. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Leo. Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and happiness. Also, may all your wishes and heart desires come true. More blessings, more success, and enjoy your special day to the fullest. Happy birthday and God bless you.
May kaibigan kang nagmamahal sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magbigas ang labi ko. Dahil sa'yo, sumasaya ang mga araw ko. Dahil sa'yo, may kaibigan ako na totoo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magmahal ang puso ko inakalang mabibigyan mo ako ng inspirasyon para harapin ang bawat araw. Panalangin ko sa mga bituin, huwag kang lalayo sa akin. Harapin natin ang lungkot at saya. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magbikas ang labi ko. Dahil sa'yo, sumasaya ang mga araw ko. Dahil sa'yo, may kaibigan ako na totoo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magmahal ang puso ko. Minsan may mga bagay na mahirap intindihin. May mga tanong na kailangang sagutin. Lahat ng yon hindi mo pinagkait sa'kin. Panalangin ko sa mga bituin, huwag kang lalayo sa akin. Harapin natin ang lungkot at saya. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magbigas ang labi ko. Dahil sa'yo, sumasaya ang mga araw ko. Dahil sa'yo, may kaibigan ako na totoo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magmahal ang puso ko. Darating man ang araw na kailangan kong bumalik sa aking mundo.